QGMA possesses 50 years of professional expertise in shot blasting equipment. Based in Qingdao's Advanced Machinery Manufacturing Hub, QGMA has been dedicated to the development and manufacturing of efficient, stable, and reliable surface treatment equipment. From individual machines to customized solutions, we provide professional and efficient surface treatment solutions for our customers. Our product range includes tumble belt, roller conveyor, hook type, and continuous shot blasting machines, as well as sandblasting rooms, meeting diverse surface treatment needs across various industries. And our products are exported to more than 75 countries and regions worldwide, winning the trust and recognition of customers around the globe. Get in touch with us for your free, reliable, and professional surface treatment solution.